Hi, I'm Amira from Choice Magazine, and here are 8 ways to make your laundry routine more eco-friendly. Tip number 1, buy a water and energy efficient washer and dryer. Head to choice.com.au to check out which ones we recommend. Tip number 2 is to always do a full load of washing when you run a cycle, and also consider a cold, quick or eco wash. They're actually better for your clothes in the long run because hot water can cause shrinkage and also damage the dyes. Number 3, now I know we haven't had the sunniest of days lately, but try and take advantage of the sun when we have it and use the sun to dry your clothes instead of running the dryer. It's almost free except for the cost of a washing line and some pegs, and it doesn't emit a single gram of carbon into the air. 4, consider switching to eco-friendly alternatives for laundry powders and detergents. We have a list of things that you might want to consider when choosing an eco-friendly product. Some of those things are like a refillable product, plant-based ingredient. Tip number 5 is to skip the products that don't work. They waste materials and they'll waste your money. So check out which ones that we don't recommend. Tip number 6 is to spot clean using a stain remover bar, which is like a solid soap bar, to prevent having to do more loads of washing for a piece of clothing that's otherwise clean. Tip number 7 is to filter out microplastics. We found some pretty concerning facts about how clothes washing contributes to microplastics in the ocean, so check out what we recommend for filters. Tip number 8 is to use your grey water. This is the wastewater from your laundry machine, and you can use it on things like the garden. You just have to be a bit careful when you do it. Read up on how to do it safe. Head to choice.com.au for more eco-friendly hacks around the home.